So briefly, we'll be looking at the three types of views we have on Excel. We'll be looking at three types of views we have on Excel. So coming down here to this right hand side, you have three icons. So you have this icon to be your normal view currently, which you have, that's your normal view. And then you have your page layout as your next view. So this is your page layout. Make this look like you are dealing with sheets. Like you are dealing with sheets. Can you see that? It has each of the pages, your page 1, page 2, page 3. You can know how you are dealing with all these things as just a glance with this. You can see all the data or all the contents on your sheet 1, on your page 1 this time around. This helps for when you are turning into PDF or you are trying to print out. So it helps you to look at how the page layout is when it is for printing or when you are trying to even print as a PDF. So this is also our page break. So this helps you to break it. So you can see I only have a page right now, and I have two pages right now. There's nothing down here because I don't have anything. So immediately I'm writing content inside. Can you see? It keeps coming down. It keeps coming down. To keep coming down until it's let me see, can we have it? Okay, yeah, can you see there's a page break around here to indicate that this is all that your page 1 can actually accommodate. Now we are on another page. So those are the three page layouts that you can actually see: your normal, your page layout, and then your page break preview. So those are the three ways you can actually view your page on Excel.